Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel, Ingridjoyaromas. Today I'm going to show you how to make a simple room spray. So these are the things we need. So let's go, ready to put it together. Oops. And when I'm finished putting these together, I am going to give it a good shake. And you're ready to go. You can use your essential oil. You can use 10 drops, you can use 15 drops, you can use 20 drops. It's all up to you how much you want to use in your room spray. For me, I like my room spray to be strong, so I can use about 2 sprays in my room, because I also like to spray my pillows. So when I'm making room spray for the room, I will use lavender or lemongrass. Those are my 2 favorite for my bedroom. So now I print out some labels and I'm showing you how to put your labels on right now. I mean, if you're doing it for your house, like for your room, you can just get a piece of tape and just write on it, and just use a tape over so you don't get mixed up with your room sprays when you're making them. Thanks for watching, everyone.